Hello and welcome. It is Thursday, 10:35. I have an appointment at 11 today. I just got back to work after a few days being off for my birthday. Your girl is officially 30. And I'm back in the studio today with a nice and busy day, 3 appointments. Oh, I forgot to show you. I hung my little rug on the wall in the kitchen. How cute. Hang on. Wide shot. How cute. I made this at Chillax Studios in Toronto. And I love it. You can put it on the ground. But for safekeeping, I put it on the wall because I don't want to walk on it. So cute. Also, my first client of the day. What was I going to say? I don't know. I finished. And then I was going to go get sushi for lunch. And then I felt guilty. Because if I had time to go get sushi, then I had time to also just go home and make myself lunch. So that's what I did. I went home and made Annie's gluten-free mac and cheese. White mac and cheese. And I'm so full because naturally I ate the entire box. But now I'm back here awaiting my next client who is running a little bit late. I think it's just the day. Everyone's a little bit late today. Just finished with my one client that was just a builder single color. But she was a half an hour late. There's something going on today, I'm convinced. And I literally did a removal and builder single color in an hour and a half. So I'm like, need to lie down now. I don't know if I've ever worked so fast. Luckily, she's so good at, like, I don't know, caring for her nails, or her nails are just really, really easy. So there's like no lifting on her builder or anything like that. And then we didn't do any shape changes or anything. It was just more of maintenance. So that was super helpful, but next client's in a half hour. Hello, I had a funny day today. So I had originally 2 clients booked. Then I had one client alter their appointment and then eventually ended up canceling their appointment. And then I had one client move from Sunday to today. And today I've been all over the place, not knowing what my day was looking like. But alas, I have 2 appointments today, both art. Both I'm looking forward to, but nothing too exciting. I want to show you my jeans actually. So I've been buying the Levi's baggy boot. I've shown you the brown ones before. I also bought them in black, but I went into Levi's the other day and these ones were on sale, which I had previously tried on in my size, but because I'm quite tall, like you can see the rips aren't even actually at the knees. This one is, but because I'm quite tall in my usual size, the rips are like all the way up my thigh, but they didn't have my usual size anyway. So these ones are 2 sizes up, which means I can wear them lower on my waist, which does 2 things. It puts the rips closer to the right spot and then also adds length to them. And I'm obsessed with them. They're so cute. So whereas I bought the other pairs for like, I also got them on sale, but they're regular $125. I got these for $45. And I love them. I'm bummed though, because I'm guessing that Levi's is now gonna discontinue the baggy boot, as they often discontinue my favorite styles, but they're so nice. Oh my God, look at them. Anyways, on to nails. Okay, that last set, I cannot. It's so cute. Did I mention this before? The trick with that one was to use airbrush stencils to do the French chrome French tips. Mind-blowing, worked wonders. Don't know, I haven't thought of it before. I didn't think of it, I mean. But I will be doing that moving forward. Sped things up so much. I'm like, how weren't we all doing this before? Happy Saturday. Got a fun day today. I mean, very mellow day, but also fun. My first client is just in for removal, and then my bestie Vanessa is in, and that's my work day. I had booked her in for like a hard gel fill tier 3 spot, but I feel like it'll take a lot less time because we're chopping her nails off, which is fun. It's gonna take them quite a bit shorter. And we've drawn up a really cute set, so I'm looking forward to it. And then after that, I'll have some hours in between, but then I'm going to my friend Matt's for dinner. Yeah, once Pat's off work, we're gonna head over there, so I've got a fun day. I'm very tired. I feel like my cramps are trying to kill me today. The joyous occasion. But other than that, I'm looking forward to the day. So I'm gonna go guzzle down a coffee and get going. I lost a little heart gem the other day while I was doing a client's nails, and I found it and I put it on this little window ledge because it's a color changing one, like UV changing her. So I just like to watch it change colors. It's so cute. Happy Sunday. Bizarre week this week. So many reschedules, cancellations, lateness. I'm sure I've already mentioned this, but yeah, it's very, very strange. Trying not to get stressed by it, but that's naturally the kind of thing that'll stress me out. So I'm just trying to keep cool. But I'm looking forward to today. I have 2 clients in for a removal and then 1 client in for a tier 3 art. So it's gonna be a pretty mellow day. Should be fun. But that being said, now that I have kind of a weird ever-changing schedule, unpredictable schedule, I definitely have some more time for filming stuff. So if there's any videos that you guys want to see, I'll make a list so when I have any like free time, I can get on making those styles. Like I wanted to start doing more like actual just like nail videos or like little tutorials and stuff. So if there's any sets that you've seen that I've done and you want me to show how I did them, let me know, because I've potentially got the time. I had 1 client today, and I'm about to do my own nails. They're my birthday nails. They're not that grown out, but I used the Jello peel off base, and they are certainly peeling off prematurely. So I'm thinking it could have been because my nails were like a little bit weak. So I'm gonna try again. I'm gonna add like a layer of like a builder, because I just basically did this, the Jello with the color right on top. So I'm gonna add a bit of a builder and see if that helps, just added strength, and hopefully they will last longer than, how long has it been? I would say they chipped in less than a week, actually. It's been about 9 days, I think, at this point. Anyways, so I'm gonna do my own nails real quick. Not real quick, because you know it takes me forever.